mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock can maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another live cop attempt video. As y'all can see from the title of the video, and obviously the thumbnail, what we're here to try to get. It's the cool gray, the Jordan Cool Gray 4s, but I'm so torn. And I need y'all's feedback. I need to know how y'all feel about this sneaker. Not about the sneaker. I think the sneaker is dope. So that's not the issue. But I feel like I'm supposed to want it. Like, I do like it, but do I want or need it? I feel like I'm supposed to, if y'all know what I'm saying. Like it hasn't retro. This is the first retro in 15 years. Excuse me, 15 years. I didn't own it the first time around. I feel like I'm supposed to want it. Like it's like OG type status. No Nike Air on the back. I don't really care about stuff like that, but I feel like, do I want it or don't? Like if I feel like I have to debate this much about it, then I probably don't want it, or at least don't need it. But I'm going to attempt for it anyway. Y'all let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about this release. I know some people don't want it. I know some people say they're doubling up on it. I don't care about it being a massive GR. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be easily attainable. Like if you want it, you can go get it. Put your footwork in. It's going to be first come first serve in most places. It's gonna be first come first serve here as well, but they always do a couple stores on the reservation app anyway, hence the reason I'm doing this video. So y'all let me know down in the comments below, how do y'all feel about this release, these Jordan 4s, man? Is it one of those sneakers that is just like it's an easy pass? Is it something a lot of people hit on the early release anyway? How do y'all feel about it, man? I need to know, man. So with all that being said, make sure if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure you hit that button, make sure it's gray. Come over here and join the movement. We're rolling, man. We've been rolling. We've been picking up family members left and right, you know what I'm saying, these past few days, and I love it, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all to keep joining the movement. We almost at 2,000 supporters here on the channel. So with all that being said, man, like I said, we're going to get into this live cop. I'm doing it a little early because we're going to be going to football practice here in a few minutes. And during that, it's going to be, you know, I'm going to be watching practice and involved in practice and trying to reserve the sneaker all at the same time. So I wanted to get the intro in now while I had the opportunity. So we're going to do that. Like I said, y'all comment down below. And then y'all watch and see if I hit it anyway. So, you know what I'm saying, there might be a big L and all this to go for naught. And I might not even go to look at them tomorrow. If I don't hit, I don't think that I'm going to go for the first come first serve. If I do hit, maybe I'll pick them up. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I love all y'all. Let's get into the live cop. All right, y'all, we down to almost the 20-second mark. As y'all can see, man, it's not, I was debating so long, I didn't even go check in from an extra minute at Foot Locker or at Champs. And for some reason, they're already at the 8-second mark. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. So I did hit. So I hit with 9 minutes at Champs, which I'm not surprised by because I think these are going to be everywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and reserve me a pair. 0041. Congratulations. Now, for some reason, Footactions is still 13 minutes away, and that's the only one that I'd actually checked in at. So I'm not even gonna come back to that one. I'm not gonna reserve a double up. But let's go check. What was it? Foot Locker to see it. I hit with 9 minutes there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and forfeit this pair because I already reserved one. All right, we one and done. All right, y'all, as you can see, we're back from practice. I got a whole different outfit on. They're trying to rope me into coaching again. But anyway, that was quick and painless, man. I actually hit on all three, the Footaction for 10 minutes, Foot Champs, and Foot Locker with 9 minutes. And I hit on Hibbett, which I forgot that I even put in for, in an adult and grade school. So these are going to be flooded, which is fine. If you like the sneaker, buy the sneaker. I'm still debating. Obviously, I have like $20 coupons and stuff like that, so it wouldn't be full retail. But I have until 6 p.m. tomorrow to see if I actually want to pick the sneaker up. But if you put in your footwork, if you love the sneaker, go get the sneaker. I appreciate y'all coming to watch another one of my videos, man. I am tired. These practices are kicking my butt sitting out here in the sun every day. And now they want me to go out here and yell and scream at these kids for 2 hours a day. So we'll see how that goes. Like I said, I love each and every one of y'all. Let's get this channel to 2,000 supporters, man. I think we're about 160 some supporters away from 2,000. The goal is 2,000 by the end of August. So we have to hit the ground running, man. We need 160 plus people to come support our movement by the end of next month. And that's what we're planning on doing, man. I'm speaking into existence, man. I'm a big goal-oriented person. I'm real big on that, man. Setting goals for yourself. And 2,000 is a goal I set for myself by the last day in August 2019. So let's make it happen. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go shower and get ready for work. OVE!